The group met for lunch blank noon. So, anong hinihingi sa atin dito? What is asked in the sentence is a preposition.
Preposition.
Okay, very good. Yung hinihingi, yung missing word dito ay preposition. Now, before we proceed, getting the correct answer, let us know what is a preposition. Preposition describes the time or the location of the object. So, ang trabaho ng isang preposition ay magsabi ng oras kung kailan ito nangyari at yung location ng isang object. Okay? I always, oo nga no. Thank you po. Bakit hindi nagcha-charge? Yung iPad malolobat. Okay? So ngayon, always remember of the inverted triangle that I am teaching everyone now and then. Paulit-ulit ko itong ituturo para paulit-ulit nyo rin at ma-memorize nyo na siya. Okay? So, remember this inverted triangle. Kasi maraming nalilito. Kailan nga ba ginagamit si in, on, at si at? Because these are the common preposition na ginagamit natin. Now, meron tayong dalawang paggamit ng preposition. Isang location at isang time. Okay? So, kung mapapansin ninyo, yung time or yung space ni in doon sa inverted triangle ay malaki. Bakit po malaki yung space ni in sa inverted triangle? Kasi ginagamit natin si in to tell general location o yung mga malalaking lugar. Okay? And then we use on to tell a a specific location. So kung mapapansin nyo, mas maliit yung space ni on doon sa triangle compared kay in. Tapos si at naman, mas maliit yung space niya. Siya na yung may pinakamaliit kasi ginagamit natin siya to tell a very specific location. Okay? Paano po yon? Okay, let's have an example. Tuwing kailan natin ginagamit si in? Sabi dyan sa general o sa mga malalaking lugar. So ano-ano yon? Yung mga country, mga bansa, city, okay? And continent. So pag ang bagay or ang isang lugar ay ang tinutukoy ay country, city, or continent, ang gagamitin po ninyo ay in. Kasi general places or general locations yung ginagamit. Now, pag specific naman, yung mas maliit sa country, ano-ano yan? Okay? Ito naman yung tinatawag nating barangay. Okay? Or avenues. Sa Amerika kasi wala silang barangay. They only have avenues. Or even the floor of the building. Ang gagamitin ninyo ay on. Mas specific compared kay in. Bakit po? Kasi if you will say, I live in Philippines, country kasi yon, kaya in yung ginamit ninyo. I live in Muntinlupa City, kasi city, general pa siya. Pero if I will say the barangay, I live on barangay Bayanan. So therefore, I will use on kasi barangay na siya. O kaya, I am on the second floor of the building. So, floor ng building yung ginagamit ko, so on yung gagamitin natin. Maliwanag po ba?
Yes.
Okay. Paano po, Coach, pag complete address? Diyan na papasok ngayon si at. Very specific. Bakit? Kasi if you will say your exact location, kung asan ka talaga, or your exact address or your complete address, you will now use at. Or kahit pag may street lang, I live at Neptune Street. I live at Dolyaton Street. Basta may street, mas maliit siya sa barangay. So therefore, at na yung gagamitin natin kasi very specific na yung tinutukoy natin na location. Do you get my point?
Yes po.
Okay,
Yes,
very
coach.
good. Now, let's have the time. Paano naman po sa time? Same rules will be apply. Gagamitin natin si in pag malaki, si on pag specific, si at naman pag very specific. Paano po pag mga hotel room coach? Like for example, Ma'am Roxanne, paano pong hotel room? Can you give the exact na word na dinidescribe? Okay, sige, siguro nagtatype pa si Ma'am Roxanne. Now, pag time, room 101, at po yun. Kasi, exact location na po yun. Wala naman ng ibang room 101 sa hotel na yon. Ikaw lang yung room 101. Prof po ito, tama. Prof and sub-prof po, pare-parehas po kayong may verbal ability. It's just that mas mahirap ang verbal ability ng professional. Pero same topic lang po kayo. Okay po? Ma'am Roxanne, did I answer your question? Okay. Sige po. Now, paano naman sa time? Okay, sa time ganun din. Ano ba yung mga general na time? Okay? Ito yung year, months, pag months lang. Okay, seasons, and holidays. Ang gagamitin nyo ay in. Okay? Kunyari, I was born in 1975. Okay? So, in yon kasi year lang. O kaya, I will meet you in June. Okay? Now, paano naman po pag on? Okay? Ginagamit natin si on pag may date na talaga. Mayroon ng year, may araw, and then may month. And pag day, I'll meet you on Monday. I will meet you on Tuesday. My birthday is on July 12, 2028. O, yun. So, on po yun. Kasi exact date and day na yung hinihingi. Mas specific na siya compare kay general. Okay? Now, wait lang, mamumuha. Now, kailan naman natin si at ginagamit? Now, ginagamit natin si at if we are telling the exact time and then we are telling the part of the day. Pag sinabi natin part of the day, morning, and part of the day or even part of the day of the holiday. At New Year's Day po dapat yan. Mamumu. Okay? Yan po. So, yan natin ginagamit si in, on, at. You can take a screenshot if you want. But anyway, this is recorded. Pwede nyo naman po siyang balikan. Okay. So, ngayon, dito, the group met for lunch. Blank noon. Ano ba si noon? Ano siya? Siya ay
Part of the day.
Exact time.
very good. Siya ay isang part of the day. At pag part of the day, ano ang gagamitin natin?
At.
At. So, therefore, the correct answer here is at. Maliwanag po ba? Nakuha? Okay, ngayon, alam na gamitin si in, on, at. Maliwanag na. Okay, very good, everyone. Okay, now, let's go with this one. She blanked to